Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics and might be helpful to you in one way or the other. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on what to do if your Microsoft Store is not working. So first, if you're having trouble launching your Microsoft Store, these are the things that you can try. It could be a connection problem, and make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. And you also want to make sure your store is updated. So in order to make sure it's on the latest version, you want to head over to settings, and then after you head over to settings, you just want to go to update and security. That's on Windows 10. For me, it's just update, and from here you just want to check for updates, and this should provide you with the latest version of the update. And if you're already on the latest version, this is the other thing that you can do. So you want to select apps from here. From settings, you just want to select apps from settings, and then you just want to go to apps and features, and then just select the app that you want to repair. Now, where is my store? So as you can see, this is my store. I can go to advanced option. From advanced option, you'll see this. You just want to press on repair. Since it's working, I'm not really going to press on repair, but all you want to do is press on repair, and that's going to be it. Your Microsoft Store should start working right after that one. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.